Come test drive this 2013 Subaru Outback. This four-door, five-passenger wagon leads among competitors in its segment.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Subaru prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.